Tuesday, October 15, 2024. Saint Teresa of Avila. Focus. Give as alms those things that are within, and behold, everything is clean for you. Jesus taught both by word and example. It often began, as in today's Gospel, by example. Like many of us, a Pharisee tried to court Jesus by inviting him to dinner. But he watched Jesus gimlet eyed. He immediately noticed that Jesus flouted a basic ritual, that of washing before dinner. Jesus did not wash. Second, out of courtesy, a guest would normally refrain from pointing out something wrong. But Jesus was determined to set things right. He read his host's thoughts and spoke bluntly. This Pharisee focused on externals while ignoring the more important aspects of his own personal life. Jesus capitalized on this opportunity to drive home a vital point, that both external and internal will be clean if one takes care of the basics. We are today's Pharisees. While we celebrate the Eucharist daily, it is not true that we also watch the celebrant with hawkish eyes. We wait to spot some minor error which we can gossip about later. In fact, whoever has God lacks nothing. God alone suffuses. We ought to participate attentively in the Eucharist and not allow ourselves to be distracted. So what if the priest inadvertently makes a small mistake? Why put him under the scanner? Fruit. I will focus on what is wrong with my own soul and thus be cleansed of whatever is ungodly.